Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we will discuss about Python data types. A very basic Python data types we will discuss in this session. Later, we will go and elaborate one by one how it will be used and involved in our application developments. Let's have a look with the basic data type of int, float, string, and boolean. These four we will see as an practical environment. We'll start with the PyCharm. Go start and find the PyCharm and open. As you see here, the PyCharm will initiate the IDE and opens. And if not created a project, our earlier sessions we have a clear session to how to create a project using PyCharm. See now here, where we go here. Yeah, the rest of the things I have cleared. Hello world page is here. If you know, okay. If not, see on project folder, right click and take new and Python file. It's in a first or Python or arithmetic or data types as you are wish to given a file name here, data type, and hit selection of these three. This is the Python file I'm going to select. By defaultly, it will take an extension of .py. As you see in the file name here. Yeah. Now see here. If you want to increase the font size of PyCharm IDE, hold the control button and scroll to the mouse to adjust your Python IDE font visibility. Let's see here. If it is not visible, you can increase the font size over there, like ASTF I have entered here. Now see, you will observe that now forward it will be increased and backward it will be reduce the font sizes. All right. Now we will see about the data types of int. Now I don't know about the data type of number. For an example, an instance. Basically, we'll see what about it, and I'll give you a detailed explanation about the data types. See, the numeric number is here. As a basic understand, I don't know what is the data type of this number. And simply we have a predefined method in type of type with the parenthesis number numeric digit. I have passed the parameter like, and I would like to see what is the data type of number 2, numeric number 2. Now see, I'm mapping to these two x, and I'm going to print an x. Now see here, I'm executing this file. See over here in the output box, control and increase the output also as well. See now it's in a class of integer it is retrieving. The type of x, which is the digit is having here, it is an integer, it's a same. Python will have that capability. If you don't know the data type of what you are going to using, and you will also know by using the predefined method. That is a wonderful opportunity, and predefined libraries are available in Python. All right, where we can know that if it is in a string, we can say that this is an integer value. Integer will comes with the 0 to 9 numbers only. That is an integer number. All right, and if it is the string, we will see as usually A to Z the number and special characters of some strings, like these are the strings. If it is attaching to the matter, any matter, we call it as a string. It is okay, the like alphanumerics. And now we will see, I don't know what is the digit of like hello. Hello, I have in a word, but I don't know what is the word of this. I can say that is a type of numeric or number or int. I don't know. I'm passing the type method with the hello, the keyword, and I'm verifying whether it is what is this. Now it is see it's printing of it is in a string character. As you seen here in the output, here it's showing that string selection of this. All right, output. Likewise, if I don't know what is the number I'm passing, it's a 2.2 or 2.0. As we know and we understand that that is in a floating number. We can call it as if it is in a decimal point is there and passing the point 0.00 like a prices. Very important to know about the prices. There is in a $100 and $100.24, 100 rupees if it is 125 paisa. Likewise, even the paisa and the extension of the dollar changes are also will be get with the using of float value. You see the execution if it is, and it will return the class of float value. All right, and similarly, there is in a data type we can call it as true false, which is in a boolean. Now see, I'm passing a value of true, and sorry, excuse true. See what is the data type it will return. If I execute, this is the button for execution. If I execute this, now see the output is boolean. Have you seen clearly here? The output is boolean, the bool data type. All right, as we understand in this session of Python data types, a recap of the integer value which is comes to 0 to 9. That is, we can call it as int data type. If any integer like number digits we have to handle in our project, like the num, we have to declare and we have to define a number to this particular variable. All right, and if it is a float value, we can simply say that num underscore float, or price you can say that. Price you can say that, and 30.2. All right, and even if it is in a string, and we can say that like a name, most of the cases it is in a string. It's having the either single quotes or double quotes. Why we require to use single quote and double quote for the string data types, we will see in the later class very clearly. Okay, hello or hello world. This is we called as string. And boolean, as we know that the status whether it is a success or not, we can say that either true, either true or false. That's also treated as 0 1. All right, and some cases it's in a male female also we can take in a boolean expressions like 0s 1 in real time as we require in our real time scenarios. This is the basic data types what we have discussed till this session, and more about the numbers and arithmetic operators. One by one we will involve in our programming journey, and you will mostly by practicing this you will enjoy a lot. Hope you understand. Thank you.